Hello, welcome everyone in our channel Banking Preparation. This video is related with the most important MCQs of banking, and if you are new in our channel and if you like to see the previous part of banking related MCQs, the link is given in the description box below. So this video is very much helpful for the banking preparation to crack the first paper. So now let's start the video. First questions. If the cash reserve ratio is lowered by the central bank, its impact on credit creation will be options are increase, decrease, no impact and none of this. The correct answer is option A, increase. If the CRR lowered by the central bank, the credit creation will be increase. Open market operation by a central bank involves options are changing the reserve ratio up and down, increase or decrease of discount rate, sale and purchase of government securities, and rising or lowering of marginal requirements. The correct answer is option C. Sales and purchase of government securities are related with the open market operations. The bank rate is the rate at which options are the NRB gives credit to the commercial banks, the NRB lend to the public, a commercial bank lends to the public, and all the above. The correct answer is option A. The bank rate is the rate at which the Nepal Rashtra Bank gives credit to the commercial banks. Bad loans in banking terminology are generally known as options are prime loans, non-performing assets, prime assets, and all the above. The correct answer is option B, non-performing assets. Insurance service provided by various banks is commonly known as options are investment banking, portfolio management, bank assurance, and merchant banking. The correct answer is option C, bank assurance. Where are the headquarters of Asian Development Bank? Options are Hong Kong, Singapore, Manila, and Tokyo. The correct answer is option C, Manila. Expand the term EMI as used in banking or financial sector. Options are easy monthly installment, equal monthly installment, equated monthly installment, and equated mortgage investment. The correct answer is option C, equated monthly installment. Historically, higher growth in the money supply is associated with options are higher growth of real GDP, higher inflation rates, lower inflation rates, and lower discount rates. The correct answer is option B, higher inflation rates. Next question. Which of the following is known as plastic money? Options are bearer checks, credit card, demand drafts, and gift check. The correct answer is option B, credit card. In which country is the UN University located? Options are USA, Egypt, Japan, and India. The correct answer is option C, Japan. Which organization is the watchdog of international trade? Options are World Trade, IMF, WTO, and IFC. The correct answer is option C, WTO, World Trade Organization. Which country emits the most greenhouse gases in the world? Options are UK, China, India, and USA. The correct answer is option B, China. Who signed the 1950 treaty between Nepal and India on behalf of Nepal? Options are Mahavir Samser, Suvarna Samser, Chandrasekhar Upadhyay, and Mohan Samser. The correct answer is option D, Mohan Samser. ATM stands for options are Anytime Money, Automated Teller Machine, Automatic Teller Money, and none of the above. The correct answer is option B, Automated Teller Machine. The first SAARC nation to provide its people with electronic passport is options are Nepal, India, Maldives, and Sri Lanka. The correct answer is option C, Maldives. Which company is the biggest player in the microprocessor industry? Options are Motorola, IBM, Intel, and none of the above. The correct answer is option C, Intel. Next question. Which of the following is not the negotiable instrument? Options are check, bank draft, pay order and bill of exchange. The correct answer is option C, pay order. Which of the following would be viewed as liquidity ratio? Options are current assets upon current liabilities, debt upon net worth, debt upon total assets and sales upon total assets. The correct answer is option A. Current assets upon current liability is known as liquidity ratio. Next, the financial statement that shows the financial position of an enterprise at a particular point in time is the options are cash flow statement, explanatory notes to the financial statement, balance sheet and income statement. The correct answer is option C, balance sheet. Balance sheet show the financial position of the enterprises at a particular point of time. Likewise, which of the following is included in the measurement of national income? Options are profit, interest, rent and all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. A bond with a high degree of credit risk would, options are, be more liquid, be a junk bond, be priced to give a lower yield and be selling for a higher price. The correct answer is option B, be a junk bond. Economic growth and development in less developed countries are low because many of them lack, options are, capital investment, technological progress, a favorable political environment and all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Because of the lacking of this capital investment, technological progress, or favorable political environment, the economic growth and development in less developed countries are low. Which of the following makes long-term low-interest loans to less developed countries? Options are New International Economic Order, International Monetary Fund, the World Bank and none. The correct answer is option C, the World Bank. All imports and exports of goods and services along with investment income and transfer payments will appear on a nation's. Options are balance of international transactions, trade balance, balance on current account and financial account. The correct answer is option C, balance on current account. In order to avoid ... when calculating GDP, one should include only the final goods and exclude the intermediated goods that are used in the production process. Inflation, statistical bias, double counting, value added. The correct answer is option C, double counting. In order to avoid double counting, when calculating GDP, one should include only the final goods and exclude the intermediated goods that are used in the production process. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, double counting. Which of the following qualities is true? Options are economic profit is equal to total revenue minus implicit cost minus explicit cost. Economic profit is equal to total revenue minus accounting profit. Economic profit is equal to total revenue minus explicit cost minus accounting profit and none of the above. The correct answer is option A. Economic profit is equal to total revenue minus implicit cost minus explicit cost. As compared to the secondary memory, the primary memory of a computer is large, cheap, fast and slow. The correct answer is option C, fast. According to the United Nations Development Programme (UNDP) Human Development Index Report 2020, what is the Nepal's position? Options are 142, 48, 164 and 188. The correct answer is option A, 142. Who is the king to build the Krishna temple in Patan? Options are Pratap Malla, Siddhi Narasimha Malla, Bhupatindra Malla and Lakshmi Narasimha Malla. The correct answer is option B, Siddhi Narasimha Malla. If the market price is greater than the real value of securities, what is it called? Options are undervalued, overvalued, correctly valued and none of the above. The correct answer is option B, overvalued. What is the name latest Android version 9.0 of mobile phones? Options are KitKat, Pie, Nougat and Marshmallow. The correct answer is option B, Pie. Which of the following is not common under retail lending system segments? Options are auto loan, home loan, personal loan and consortium lending. The correct answer is option D, consortium lending. The main purpose of currency is options are standard of post-pounded payment, standard of money, medium of exchange and none of the above. The correct answer is option C, medium of exchange. Depreciation is provided on options are fixed assets, outward changes, current assets and intangible assets. The correct answer is option A, fixed assets. What is the full form of IPO? Options are initial private offering, initial partnership offering, interest private offering and initial public offering. The correct answer is option D. IPO refers to the initial public offering. If a bank is unable to refund the short-term deposits as funds are locked in the long-term loans, it involves options are interest rate risk, operational risk, liquidity risk and market risk. The correct answer is option C, liquidity risk. Which is the most powerful tool used by the Nepal Rashtra Bank to control inflation? Options are raise interest rates, raise current supply, reduce current supply and reduce interest rates. The correct answer is option A, raise interest rates. Sales return journals is used to record the returns of goods sold to customers on options are credit, cash, discount and sample basis. The correct answer is option A, credit. The World Bank Group is made up of how many organizations? 3, 5, 7 and 8. The correct answer is option B, 5. Now let's see the 5 organizations. International Bank for Reconstruction and Development IBRD, the International Development Association IDA, the International Finance Corporation IFC, the Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency MIGA, and the International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes ICSID. So these all are the 5 organizations which made up the World Bank. Which of the following is not a demand deposit? Options are current deposit, saving deposit, fixed deposit and all the above. The correct answer is option C, fixed deposit. Which of the following ratio measures the liquidity position of a company? Options are net profit to total assets, current assets to current liability, debt to equity ratio and cash to equity ratio. The correct answer is option B, current assets to current liability. Next question. The term of the directors in bank and financial institution in Nepal. Options are 4 years, 5 years, 8 years and none of the above. The correct answer is option A, 4 years. Fiscal policy means options are policy relating to money and banking in a country, policy relating to non-banking financial institutions, policy relating to government spending, taxation and borrowing, and policy relating to financial matters of international trade. The correct answer is option C. Policy relating to government spending, taxation and borrowing is known as fiscal policy. Current liabilities are obligations that needs to be satisfied. Options are within 1 year, within 2 years, within 3 years and on demand. The correct answer is option A, within 1 year. In Nepal, famous district of sugar industry is options are Morang, Parsa, Dhanusa and Nawalparasi. The correct answer is option D, Nawalparasi. Development planning in Nepal started in options are 2010, 2011, 2012 and 2013. The correct answer is option D, 2013, Bikram Sambat. In foreign trade, Nepal is continuously facing options are balance of trade surplus, trade balance, balance of trade deficit, and none of the above. The correct answer is option C, balance of trade deficit. So thank you for watching us. This much for today's video. In next video, we will come up with the more informations regarding the banking sectors, and thank you for watching us once again. And for more, please visit our channel, and if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you.